If you're someone who likes to have juices every day, want something compact for your kitchen, experiments with a variety of fruit and vegetable juices, or just wants to switch to nut milks like almond milk, cashew milk, or coconut milk from your regular milk, then this Atomberg Althea cold press juicer is the right fit for you. This video is made in collaboration with Atomberg, but as always, experiments and opinions are my own. Let's start by testing it out with the ABC juice, which requires apple, beetroots, and carrots. We can also add lemon and ginger for that extra zing. Firstly, it is super easy to assemble with only a few moving parts: the filters, the auger for cold pressing, a hopper and lid, a juice chamber, and two collection jars, one for the juice and other for the dry waste. This juicer has a wide, straight and self-feeding hopper or mouth which is 12.5 cm in diameter and 1.2 liter capacity. Because it has a straight self-feeding hopper, multiple whole fruits and vegetables can be dropped into the juicer without needing to cut it into small pieces. For example, like an entire apple or 2 carrots and so on. Of course, seeds have to be removed. Traditional juicers spin at really high speeds, which creates heat, oxidizes the juice and kills a lot of nutrients. But this cold press juicer runs at only 40 rpm, ideal enough to retain vitamins, enzymes and antioxidants. Anytime during the juicing, if the ingredients get stuck, this cold press juicer has an auto reverse technology called the IntelliRev to unclog the juicer. No manual intervention is required. The juicer will resolve itself when it is stuck. As you can see, no blocking, no mess. And the juice, it's deep red, smooth, no bits and pieces, and most importantly, it is packed with antioxidants. The juicer has extracted so much juice out of the fruit that there is very little water left in the pulp. So dry. Here's a pro tip for you. You can even use this pulp for making chutneys or directly drop it in your compost as it is so dry. We can use the juicer for any types of fruits and vegetables. We can also make nut milks like almond milk or cashew milk. Just soak the almonds or cashew for 5 to 6 hours. Add the soaked almonds with water into the juicer to get a creamy almond milk. Add vanilla or dates while blending to add some sweetness to this milk. Nice and easy. Let's talk about some safety features. This cold press juicer has many safety features like the auto lid detection or the hopper lock detection to ensure that you don't start the juicer without the lid and the hopper being fixed properly. And it also has LED indicators to help to diagnose the issues. Orange means that the ingredients are stuck, yellow means that the motor is heated up, red means that the parts are not assembled properly or the lid is open, blue indicates that it is running, and white indicates that everything is fine and you are ready to go. Let's also talk about some care tips. Cleaning of this cold press juicer is easy due to its split filter design. Disassembling and rinsing only takes a couple of minutes. To prevent damage to the juicer, we should not use hard vegetables with less water content like potatoes or sweet potatoes, oil-containing ingredients like peanuts, dry coconut and sesame, frozen ice cubes or frozen fruits. And lastly, extremely fibrous items like sugarcane. If citrus juices are what you want, to prevent a bitter taste in the juice, it is always better to remove the seeds before inserting them into the juicer. Removal of the seeds is a general rule for all fruits. This Atomberg Althea cold press juicer has a sleek form factor and can easily fit into your kitchen cabinet when it is not being used. Similar to their other products, the product looks quite premium. With a 2-year warranty along with a 1-year extended warranty on the entire product, this cold press juicer promises high juice yield, nutrient retention and easy cleanup for a long time to come. If you found the video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 145,000 plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.